Good morning, students. Today I will teach to you a new chapter, chapter 7, fractions. Okay, so first we understand it. What is a fraction? A fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. Okay, fraction is a number representing a part of whole. Okay, the whole may be single object or a group of object. Okay, whole may be single object or a group of object. For examples, that is a whole and this is a one part. Okay, so then you write a one of whole is how many? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that is out of 4. Okay, so now one part of a whole have a 4 part, then you write in a denominator and part you write in a numerator. Then it becomes a 1/4 part. Okay, now in a second figure, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is a 7 part. So that is a whole is a 7 part. Then you write in a denominator. And how many parts are here which are sided? Then 1, 2, 3. Then you write a 3 in a numerator. Okay, so now this part is known as a numerator and this part is known as a denominator. Okay, this is a numerator and this part is known as a denominator. And a fraction is a number, representing a part. A represent the only part of a whole, and whole may be single or group of object. So it may be single or group of object. Okay. Now students, exercise of 7.1, exercise 7.1 of questions 1 is given that write the fraction representing the sided portion. Okay, first part is given that is the triangles which have 1, 2, 3, 4 part. Okay, then it have a how many parts? 4 parts. To write a whole part, whole numbers in a denominator. Okay, total parts write in a denominator. And how many sided part? Sided part is a 2. Then you write in a 2-sided part in a numerator, and this will be 2/4. Okay, so now it is cancelled with 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then it becomes what is this? 1/2 part. Okay, similarly here first you count all the part. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total part is here given to the 9, and how many parts are shaded? So now shaded part is 8. Okay, so now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So now this is a fraction is 8 upon 9. Okay, so this is 8 upon 9. Similarly, you write a fraction in this this figure, which is a third figure. Okay, now third figure is what? How many total parts? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total part is 8. You write 8 on a denominator. Okay, and in a numerator, how many shaded portion? How many shaded? 1 2 3 4. So this is a 4 part is a shaded, and if it may be cancelled, then you cancel it. Okay, so now you know that 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Now it becomes a 1 by 2. So this is your answer is 1 by 2. Okay, I think students you similarly solve the other part also. Okay, now in a fifth part, given that here, now in a book you see, in your book is a given. Now students, in a questions one of a fifth part is given. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Total 7 part are given. So you write in a denominator total whole part. Okay, and how many shaded? 1 2 3. 3 is a shaded portions which are you write in a numerator, and this is a fraction becomes a 3 by 7. Okay, fraction becomes a 3 by 7. And one more examples I solved here, and remaining part you solve a self. Okay, now in eighth figure is given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Total 9 part is given, and 9 you write in a denominator, and how many parts are shaded? That is a 1 2 3 and that is a 4. 4 part is shaded, which you write in a numerator, that is a 4 by 7. Okay, now students you solve self remaining part. Okay, now students question second, given that color the part according to the given fraction. Okay, so now here first figure given a circle, and in a circle 6 parts are there, and that is 1 by 6 is a fraction is given, and colored 1 by 6 part. So now in a 6 part 1 should color are shaded parts. Okay, so 1 shaded a part of out of a 6 part. Okay, I part here 1 by 6. Okay, so now in a numerator given a 1 number, so you 1 part should be shaded. Okay, and here 1 by 4. The triangle have how many parts? 1 2 3 4, and that is in a denominator have a 4 parts, and in a numerator write a 1 part. Then you make 1 shaded part. Okay, so you make a one-sided part. So this is a 1/4. Okay. Suppose that third part is given. This is a rectangle, and in a rectangle having three parts, then a fraction written a 1/3. That means in a numerator write a 1, then you shaded a one part of this figure, then it is a 1/3. And similarly fourth part is for you a homework, and fifth part I solve it. Fifth part, given that I make here, fifth part is, suppose that this is given a fifth part, and this will be make a 9 part. Okay, and this is your fifth part, this is your fifth part, and given 4/9. This is a given 4/9. So now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 rectangle have a 9 part, and 9 written in a denominator, then it is a correct. And in a numerator write a 4. That means you make a 4-sided part. Okay, so now you make a 4-sided part. So you take any 4. So now I take this part and this part, and third is this, and fourth will be one more. So that is a fourth part. So this is a 4/9. So I think you understand a fraction, and now next day from the next questions I will start your class. Okay, thank you.